Assalamualaikum, here's your science teacher Ruzma Iqbal. Hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to have our third lecture for grade 5. That is starting from page number 85, 86 and 87. What we will study in these pages, we need to study some important informations that are given on these pages in the form of blocks. So let's have a first block, the dirty soil. So you know that soil is everywhere. Every part of earth is having soil. How this soil is created? It is actually created from eroded rocks. What are eroded rocks? These are rocks that are brittle by means of weather events, by high temperature or pressure, or beside from eroded rock, there are also some matter that come from plants and animals. The organic matter that is produced by the breakdown of plants and animals also get dissolved in this soil. That's why the color of soil get darker. Now, how much time does soil take to form? It is not an event that will happen in a blink of eye. Okay, it will not take a shorter period to do this. Actually, it is a very complicated process, a very lengthy process, and it needs a very long period of time to complete it. For example, only 2 inches, only a length of 2 inches of topsoil is formed in more than 500 years. So it is a very lengthy process. Second one is soil erosion. What does the meaning of erosion? So you already know that soil is a part of crust that is soft, that is having nutrient, water, organic matter, air. It is that part of the earth or crust in which we grow plants. So it is somewhat soft as compared to the remaining parts of the earth. But when a heavy rain falls on the ground or falls on this soil, this heavy rain with high that is coming with high pressure takes or carry this soil with it and drain into rivers or dams. Now the soil that was essential or suitable for the growth of plant that was having water, nutrients and everything has gone. So when this topsoil will be gone, only the hard part will be remain. So in this part you can't grow the plants and it will unable to anchor the roots in it. So now the upper part is removed. We would call it the soil has been eroded and the event is known as soil erosion. Look at here. The heavy rain water is dissolving the soil in it and carrying it with it. When it happens, the soil get the shape or the land get the form of such types and is unable or not suitable for the growth of plants. Third one block is why is soil dark? Why the color of soil is dark in some places and lighter in some other places? So it is because of the amount of organic matter dissolving. The soil that is having lighter color have small amount of organic matter. What was the organic matter? I have already told you that organic matter is the material that comes from dead plants or animals and dissolve in the soil. This activity is usually done by microorganisms. Bacteria break down the body of dead plants and animals and the nutrients get dissolved in the soil. The more organic matter the soil has, the darker it will be. The lower organic matter the soil has, the lighter it will be. So the color is depending on the amount of organic matter that is present in the soil. Now, You need to perform an activity. In this activity, you are going to dig up some garden soil. You will take some garden soil, you will put in a glass jar. That should be of some more length. That should be tall. After putting the soil in the tall glass jar, you will add water. You will fill the jar with water and then after adding water, you will stir it with a long stick. After stirring it, leave it to settle for some time. After settling, you will observe what will happen and you need to write your observation in your notebook. Okay, now your homework is that you need to mark important objective points for objectives and you will write question number 1 and 2 that is given on the review exercise of this chapter. Page number 87, you need to write these two short questions in your notebook. Okay, that was all for today. So hope you can do it well. Allah Hafiz.